No charges for the police killing of Breonna Taylor. All three officers who were under review cleared of potential charges in the killing of the 26-year-old emergency room technician. This almost 200 days ago. One officer was indicted on a lesser charge for shots fired at the scene. That's a crime of wanton endangerment for shooting stray bullets. The lead prosecutor on this case, Republican Attorney General Daniel Cameron, announcing that he viewed the police killing of Taylor as justified. We have more on that part of this story shortly. Meanwhile, on the ground right now, we are seeing largely peaceful marches and protest gathering, a police presence monitoring all of it. There have been some isolated clashes. The mayor declaring a state of emergency there and a 9 p.m. curfew, the National Guard on the ground. Many, though, outraged about today's result and the process leading up to it. The news broke today when a judge read off 3 counts of wanton endangerment, this against one officer, with no charges relating to the killing of Taylor herself.
The Jefferson County Grand Jury charges as follows. Count 1, wanton endangerment in the first degree. Count 2, wanton endangerment in the first degree. Count 3, wanton endangerment in the first degree.
And that was it. Just those 3 counts against one officer, none homicide related. The bottom line is Kentucky charging one officer for those shots fired at the scene. That's the technical wanton endangerment charge. But to be clear, what's most important to many is what's not being done. No charges against any of the 3 officers under review for actually shooting Taylor to death. Kentucky's Attorney General said that evidence showed that the officers did announce themselves upon arrival. That's his claim that's been contested, and that one was shot when entering the apartment. That providing a potential or arguable legal justification or defense for the shots that police fired in return. Now, here's that key assertion from the AG.
The use of force by Mattingly and Cosgrove was justified to protect themselves. This justification bars us from pursuing criminal charges in Miss Breonna Taylor's death.
Now, let me be very clear. That is the prosecutor's view. It is legally important here. Police defenders have also stressed that the officers were facing mortal danger, no matter how that raid began. But today, that Attorney General you just heard from also said that this process presented all potential homicide offenses to the grand jury, trying to sort of shift responsibility over to those jurors. And that reveals a legal contradiction. This is important here, and it does follow something of a pattern we've seen in other cases. If this Attorney General is certain that the killing was justified, and he opposes any homicide charges for the officers, why say that they presented those potential charges at all? Whether he meant to or not, the Attorney General's statement here does shed light on why so many experts say this type of process does not look to be on the level. The entire arrangement, rather, appears to be to persuade the grand jury not to indict on homicide charges, then pin that very decision, which was engineered by those officials, back on the grand jury itself. Now, that is one reason, among others, that tonight, once again, America faces this scene. Protesters demanding justice and arguing that the facts show right here in the broad daylight how this usually aggressive gears of prosecution, our system in America that is famously tough, it suddenly shifts into reverse if the potential crime is the alleged police killing of black and brown people in America. Hey, I'm Ari Melber from MSNBC. You can see more of our videos right here, or better yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel below. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and we appreciate that.